So we have seen how to create a database, and the natural step is to see how to delete one. It's pretty simple. The command is drop database, and then whatever the name of the database is that you are looking to do, delete it. So we'll come across this term drop a couple of times in this course. It's basically the SQL version of delete, and we'll be able to use it to drop things other than just that database. We'll be able to delete tables, for instance. Once we get there, so let's try. Hey everyone, it's time for some do practicals. Open start button, then write MySQL command client, then your password. Sorry. Okay, so let's increase its font size, properties, font. Let's say 28 megapixels. Okay, so let's see how much we have got a database in the last session. So show data bases. So here we have the list of databases. Hello, MySQL, performance schemas, SQLs, S, Techno, what. So let's try this hello one. First one. We will create it, delete it. So then write first. Sorry, over here. So write drop data database hello. Okay, so karaoke is 0 rows, no affected. So let's try to show databases. I'm sure that hello database is deleted. Okay, so we write, let's try to delete this one, the Techno one. Okay, you can capitalize the drop databases, drop database, then write Techno. It doesn't even matter, it will delete it. So let's see show databases. So as you can see that the Techno database is deleted. So I hope you understand this concept of deleting the databases. In the next lecture I will show you how to uh, create multiple line databases and further things. So I hope you like this video. Please give thumbs up, and if you are new in the newcomer of this channel, please do subscribe. This is Ayan Ahmad signing off.
Through the wastelands, through the